Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's our first day in Georgia and first vlog for you. We are in Godauri, which is the highest and largest ski resort of Georgia. We reached here last night directly from the airport. It was around 3 hours drive. It's a 4-day stay in Georgia and I will be sharing complete details of our trip. So please stay with us till entire series. Keep watching our videos. Let's start the day with a healthy breakfast. We are staying in Gudori Loft Hotel and they have a very spacious restaurant at top floor. We are probably a bit late for the breakfast, therefore we don't see other tourists here. For breakfast, we've got omelette with toasted bread, some different varieties of cheese, butter, honey, cookies, and some vegetables with fresh juices and cappuccino. One of my kid likes cereal, so he got his cereal as well. We are done with our breakfast. Let me take you to the rooftop. I will share with you 360-degree view of this area. We reached here at night and at that time we could not see anything. We had no clue how this area looks like, and it was an amazing surprise when we got up in the morning. A beautiful sunny day. You can see the mountains, snow-covered mountains as well. As I mentioned earlier, this area is a famous ski resort, so you can imagine all these mountains will be fully covered in snow in winters, which will be starting in December in 2 months. That's our room on the left corner below, and that's the view we have from our window. In terms of activities, we have limited option before winter, so we have booked a day tour to Kasbegi, which is a must do if you are here in this region, and that will start around 1:30 p.m. So we had 2 free hours and we decided to go for paragliding during this time. Paragliding is one of the most famous activity here and it continues all along the year. We just had to inform our hotel reception and they have booked it for us. So the paragliding companies, they provide pickup from hotels. They came to pick us up. We have reached at the paragliding spot. It was around 15 minutes drive to reach here, and the total cost including pick and drop service is 300 gel, which is the local currency called lari. But you also have the option, if you want to go for a longer flight, you can do it for 400 and 500 laris. I am getting ready for paragliding. I have reached till this point, but now I am feeling very scared. My legs are not moving. We have to take some quick steps. We have to run for the parachute to open properly, and it would be right at the edge of this mountain. So let's begin. Okay, we are on the ground. Here it is. Woo! It was fun. It was scary in the beginning, but once we jumped, it was amazing. We started from somewhere on top of those mountains and we have landed here. It was around 10 minutes flight. The takeoff part was very scary for me, but once we were in the air, it was an amazing experience. I cannot explain in words. And the landing was also a bit scary when we were getting closer to the ground. But these operators are very professional and he knew exactly what he was doing and we landed quite easily. The instructor is packing the parachute while we wait for our pickup service which is arriving. So guys, that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed these beautiful views and paragliding experience. Please let us know your feedback in comment section and stay tuned for Kazbegi tour in next video. Thank you.